Alright, so this is just a test of the stretch and pull torture factory. It seems like it's having a bit of an issue actually staying on as far as the computer board goes. Because on this piece, some of the fading lights and stuff are not actually being run by the computer board. So these and the eyes and stuff are actually on their own. They're on their own system, I think. And then this is partially broken. It's impressive that the motor is working, which is usually the part that seems to fail on these buildings. But these wires here are actually an electromagnet. So on the top of this, there's a little tiny magnet, which is hard to see. But basically, when it pulls the rope up, it's supposed to then have that magnet be attracted to an electromagnet in the top, which is run from those wires. And then it'll get it to free fall down when it turns off the electromagnet, but it seems like the electromagnet is not working. As far as the gears go, I'll have to maybe get mine out, but these seem like they're acceptable. As far as the distance goes, I can see about pulling them back a bit more, but we'll see, because I might, depending on how hard I think it is to get it back, I might just leave them, because I think there's usually the hot resin glue holding the motor and stuff in, and I don't know if I'll mess with that or not, just in case it's detrimental to the building. But yeah, so I think that pretty much covers it. I'm gonna do my best now. I'll take it apart the same way that I took apart my building, and I'll try and survey the inside. As far as the motors go, I'll try and carefully oil them a little bit, but this noise that I'm hearing seems to be pretty normal for these motors, because they kind of had noisier gearboxes anyway. Yeah, so I'll see if I can get this to work a bit better, and yeah, we'll just see.